Hello, I'm Dr. Arshni from Dr. Arshni's IELTS Institute. In this video, I'm going to explain you about common mistakes done by the students while attempting your reading test. We all know that reading is of 60 minutes. That means it is of 1 hour, and it is the biggest challenge for everyone. Students often are scared of reading only because first of all it is too much lengthy and they consider it to be the most difficult task or the module in IELTS. Let's have the information regarding the common mistakes done by the students, and if they improve this, I assure you that they will be getting the best score in IELTS reading also. So first challenge is time management, and we know that we have 3 passages and we have 60 minutes. This means 20 passage each. But no, if you do like this, in that case, you will be having scarcity of the time and you will be finding lack of time for the last passage. What is my recommendation? That you should divide it into 3 parts by 17 each. How it could be managed? That 1.5 minutes that should be spent on skimming and scanning, and the rest time, that is 15 minutes, you should go with your answers, finding and writing those. See students, in case of reading, you are not given even a single minute extra to write or transfer your answers from the textbook to the answer sheet. So it's very important that you should write the right answer on the worksheet immediately when you find the answer. And second is skim and scan. Students do not do proper skimming and scanning. They start reading the whole passage. It is too much time consuming and they are not able to justify it at the end, and usually one passage is left. Learn the art to skim and scan. Skimming means fastly you are reading something, and scanning, so you are scanning some of the particular words. So once you are doing skimming and scanning, you should start underlining the important words which you feel that this could be related to some questions or important answers. So underline those important words while skimming and scanning. In this way, your most of the time will be saved and you will be able to attempt your task on time. Third mistake students do, that they do not read the question properly. So they are not able to understand that. And what happens? So when they just read the question in haste and they are not able to find the right answer afterwards. They are not able to get the right answer which could be written in front of that question. And sometimes the text is complicated. It is too much complex. It is having double negatives. So they are not able to understand that. So here you need some patience. So you should read the text which is found to be complicated or complex. Read it twice or thrice. Only then you will be able to understand that thoroughly. Or you can just slice it down. Slice it down means part it small parts and then understand. Then you will be able to find the right answer. What is my suggestion? That I find headings questions or heading part to be the easiest one and the most boring. You should do it first. When you are doing heading task first, in that case, if you are having 20 minutes to do one passage, you can easily do it within 17 to 18 minutes. I'm giving you the technique for that. When you're doing any heading, so read the paragraph properly. When you're reading the paragraph properly, so you will be finding 2 to 3 answers which are related to that particular passage or to a particular question. At that time, you should not try to find out the right answer, which is the proper heading of that particular question. So you may write 2 to 3 answers in front of that to save your time. Then you should go with the next paragraph. Again, you will be finding 2 to 3 answers. So at that time, you may write 2 to 3 answers in front of that. Then while attempting the third question, you will be clearly having idea what actually it is about. Because headings passages cannot be solved by finding keywords. This is the biggest mistake the students are doing, that they are always trying to find the keywords which are not found in the heading. So you have to read the whole passage. It is actually on the gist. Gist means the proper conclusion of this, proper essence of that. So you have to read the whole passage, then you should find the right heading which you feel that is suitable for this. Now come with the another part students are doing, that is that writing the whole sentence. See students, you're just having the option to write 1 to 3 words maximum, so do not exaggerate it much more. So it is to be written in 1 to 3 words, or it may be in the number also. So sometimes the students start writing the whole sentence, in that case also they are losing their marks. One very important instruction related to yes, no, and not given. So sometimes the student do this mistake, that instead of writing yes, no, they write true and false. So sorry, unfortunately your all answer will go wrong, though you have done a lot of efforts to find the right answer. So must try to find out what is given to you, what is asked to you, whether if it is true and false, it should be written true and false, and if it is yes and no, must write yes and no. Then again after that, maths and diagrams. So while attempting the questions related to maths and diagrams, you have to follow the sequence. Sequence means that you should start moving as it is explained or directed. If you lose this, so you will be confused anywhere in between, and you will lose the correct answer. You will not be able to find the right answer, and it will take a lot of your time, and your time will be wasted. Then come very, very important instructions. See students, we do not have enough time to attempt all the questions in reading part. What students are doing, that they just start attempting all the answers on the text sheet, or the sheet which is given to them, the booklet which is given to them, and after that they try to transfer those answers on the answer sheet. So what happens, that the students, they lose their important answers because they lose the sequence. So suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you miss any one number from that, so if you're writing instead of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you start writing 1, 2, 3, 4. So the all answer will go wrong, and you will be losing your score in reading part. And the last is match the certain headings, or match the certain information. Again, we have to follow the same pattern as we found in the headings. Here also, if you're writing one answer wrong, your another answer will automatically go wrong. So what is important, that you should read it thoroughly. Do not try to find the keyword only. Do not focus on the keyword, because you have to find the crux here. You have to find the essence, what is asked you. Only then you will be able to attempt this. Hope this video will be useful for you. Try to follow these instructions. I'll be there to explain reading part thoroughly in my another tutorial, which I'm making very soon. And hope to see you fine in the next video. Stay connected, happy learning. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, just subscribe our channel right now, so that you should get the latest information regarding the notifications or any updates, or whenever we are uploading any video on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and happy learning.